Hi all, today we will be seeing another control which is when1, and here the value will be always. So even if the particular stage or job fails, it should run the other stage or job. So let's see how it can be done. So I'll again create a pipeline for that. I have the contents ready. So again, we have the simple stages called build and cleanup, where I have defined the jobs, and inside that we have the stages build and cleanup. Now we are in the script. We are exiting the. We are printing the statement called build the app, and we are forcing it to exit the status code exit one. And once it is done, normally the pipeline of the stages will be stuck here because it has failed. So we are skipping that part with the help of cleanup stage, where job where we have the cleanup stage, and we have like the script, or we may are mentioning the method like cleanup. So we can do a lot of use cases here. So irrespective of the build or the compile or whatever stages you have, you may want to run the cleanup stage always. So in that case, we are again using the when control, so it should be run always. So this is the value where we put always, and it will ensure it runs every time, irrespective of the other stages. Okay, so we'll see this into action now. Let's go to the pipeline. To go here, you can see the build pipeline is running. And if you go inside and see the logs, again, it is running over the GitLab runner available from the GitLab agents or the runners available. Now it has created the Docker machine it's preparing the Docker machine executor, and it is downloading the image to v3.1, where it will execute all the commands, whatever we have mentioned, which is just to echo the statement. So we can see it has downloaded the Git repository, and it has printed the message, and then finally, like, it has exit one. So if we go here, it should show the fail status over this particular stage. So we can see the failed is the status here, and we can see the cleanup is running. So actually, if we don't mention that condition in the when for always, it would have stuck here. It would not have gone further. But we have mentioned over the YAML to run this stage always. So that's why we can see it has run our script, and it has echoed the sprint cleaning up.